Home remedies for cold and cough. Lukewarm water. Drink lukewarm water frequently as it helps in fighting against common cold, cough and sore throat. Warm water reduces inflammation in the throat and helps in replenishing the fluids and infection out of the body. Milk and turmeric. Turmeric has a strong antioxidant which helps in treating many health problems. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is a popular and effective way to fight against cold and cough. Honey and brandy. Brandy is known to keep your chest warm as it increases body's temperature. Mixing honey in brandy helps in fighting a cough. Just a teaspoon of brandy mixed with few drops of honey improves cough and common cold. Spiced tea. Add tulsi, ginger and black pepper while preparing your tea. And this spiced tea is great for your health. These three ingredients play an important role in fighting a common cold and cough.